So it's Wisdom Jordan right back here, and in this lesson we want to be looking at a new indicator. That indicator is called the parabolic SAR. So it is a beautiful trend indicator. It's called the parabolic SAR. Okay. So the parabolic SAR it looks like this. If this is your chart. Okay, for example, this is your chart. And this is a chart. So the parabolic SAR are these dots, these blue dots you are seeing. So okay. So dots down, they show a bullish signal. Then dots up, they show a bearish signal. Simple as that. That's how the parabolic SAR is. So the parabolic SAR, you sell when the price closes below the parabolic SAR, okay, and then you buy when the price closes above the parabolic SAR. Simple as that. So the parabolic SAR indicator is used by traders to determine the trend direction of a potential reversals. So if you've been following the videos on this channel, we want you to remember that we only make money when the price moves in a trend like that. And then in most cases, we lose money when the price is in zigzag, choppy market, or the trending, or the consolidations. Or so the parabolic SAR will be a very good indicator on this channel because it will be helping us to determine the current trend, and then we shall be able to take trades in the current trade. Okay. So the technical indicator uses a trading stop and reverse method, and that's why it is called a SAR. It is called a stop and reverse. A is stop, A is and then R is for reverse. So it is called a parabolic stop and reverse, or okay, and it is used to identify suitable exit and entry points in the market. So it can be used as an exit indicator as well. Okay, so the parabolic SAR indicator appears on chart as series of dots, okay, either above or below an assertive price, okay, depending on the direction of the price movement. Okay, so a dot below the price is when it is trending up, and above the price is when it is trending downwards. That one we've seen it already. So we already said when the dots are below the market, it means that the market is moving up, and when the dots are above the current prices, it means that the trend is a bearish trend, or it is trending downwards. Okay. So the parabolic SAR, on this channel we shall be using it as an entry or as an exit indicator. So as simple as that, there is nothing in print. So we are going to go on the live chart, and then we shall be seeing this parabolic SAR. Okay. So we're going to onto a live chart, and then we shall be looking at the parabolic SAR. So well, this is a live chart, and on this chart we can all say clearly that this is a doll card. Okay, it's a doll card, and it's a daily time frame, and we are using the daily candles as you've seen here. Or right here, it's the daily candles. This is the United States versus the Canadian dollar. Okay, so we can see that the chart is playing on the screen, but here we have some indicator. That indicator is called the MACD. Is seen right here. That is the moving average convergence divergence indicator. Okay, so we said on the MACD we only get signals when the price is below the zero line. This is zero line right here. Okay, this is zero line right here. When the price is below the zero line, we sell, and when the price is above the zero line, for example here, we are seeking to buy. Okay, so here we want to insert in our parabolic SAR, and then we see how it can be used in conjunction with other indicators to get beautiful signals to sell or to buy. Okay, so you come here and the trend, you look for parabolic SAR. It is right here, the parabolic SAR. So we shall use that color. The color you can put to any color you prefer. Then you click OK. You leave the settings to default. You can change the colors. The visualization is always to all time frames. Okay. Okay. So let's try to change it to blue because it is colliding with the color for the candles. So, or we can put it to yellow. So work. Yellow not cool. Change to aqua. Let's see. Aqua still not cool. Change to blue. Blue. Beautiful. So when you look at the chart, we are having a lot of dots. Okay, those are the dots which show the parabolics are the parabolic stop and reverse. Okay, it means that when the price is moving, for example, it's moving in an uptrend, or it means that parabolic SAR says stop and then you reverse. So reverse is when the price moves downwards. So we are expecting the parabolic SAR to get for us this, and then after that it will reverse and then show us that the market has also changed its direction. So for example, we shall go backwards. Okay, let's get to go back into history. For example, here, So I want you to note on the chart, I'm going to get off topic a little bit. So this is what we call the cup and handle chart pattern right here. This is what we call the cup and handle chart pattern right there. That is the cup, okay? And then this is the handle, which I want so that when we reach the time for us to when we reach a time for us to look at the candlestick, sorry, on the chart patterns, I want you to remember this pattern. I have shown it to you in this way because it is always very hard to find. This is what we call the cup and handle. This is the cup, okay, and then this is its handle. So areas the interest signals are from the base of this mouth or the mouth of this candle, okay. So this is where the interest signal was, and then the stop loss was supposed to be around here, and then we'll be able to get the curve up, okay. So back to the parabolic star, back to business, okay? We say the parabolic star shows us the dots above the candles when the price is saying that we are going to sell. And when the dots are below the candles, it shows that we are going to buy. It is a bullish signal, okay? So for example, when you look here, it was a nice little downtrend, okay, but we are looking at this level here when the parabolic star says that we are yet to buy, and then the MACD is also saying that we are still selling. So here we do not take that signal because parabolic star is yes bullish, but the MACD is still bearish. So we have to be patient and wait for the MACD to show us a bullish signal. So here parabolic star has already confirmed that we are going to buy, but we are waiting for the MACD. So the MACD confirmed from here. So our signal candle would have been around here. This is a candle for where the MACD showed positive is right here. Okay, this is where we'd have entered the trade from. You leave alone this, miss it, okay, it is normal. So you get your trade from here, put your stop loss here, and you would have gotten this wave up. Okay, so here it says we are going up, but this still says that we are on a bearish trade. So we would not take that signal, and you see it was not that much successful. So that's how we use the parabolic SAR in conjunction with other trades, okay, in others. So here it says that we are buying, but we do not take the trade because here it is bearish. And then here it changed direction to bearish, we are selling. And then even here is saying we are selling. So this is bearish, this is bearish. Of course, you go short and then you catch the wave down, you get the marks down, okay. As simple as that. That's how we shall be using the parabolic SAR. And then the other thing is that we should be using parabolic SAR as an exit indicator. So for example, you have entered your trade from here because this was a sell signal. Here parabolic SAR is saying we are selling, and then the market is saying we are also selling. So we go short from here. The trade gets triggered, you're in the money, and then you're wondering, where should I exit from? Where should I take my profits from? So for example, this could have been a very good candle to exit the trade, because from this candle here we have a candle which is, sorry, okay, let me try to clear up there. For example, right here you can see that there was a blue dot below this candle showing that very soon we are going to change direction from bearish to bullish, and soon it happened. Okay, so we entered a new buying trade here. So after entering from here, where should we exit from? So the parabolic SAR is saying exit from here. Exit it, it is okay. You come and re-enter from here and wait for it to tell you to exit once again. Okay, so parabolic SAR can be used as an entry indicator, and it can also be used as an exit indicator. So it works very well, especially in a trending market. Okay, we can see where we got a beautiful trend. For example, here you can get a place where we got a beautiful trend. For example, here when you look around here, you got a beautiful trend. Okay, so here parabolic SAR is saying we are selling, and the MACD is saying we are still buying. So wait for it to say we are selling, and then we enter the trade from here. So we are wondering, where should we exit from? Of course, we shall exit when the parabolic SAR gets bullish, and that is around this candle. So as soon as it exited, it gives us an entry candle for an entry signal for buying. So do we buy? Of course not, because the market is still bearish. So wait for the market to show a bullish signal, and that is around here. So here you get to buy. Okay, you would get this wave up, and then maybe you would have exited around here when it is saying that we exit. So that is how we shall be using the parabolic SAR. And I'm not saying that I'm going to be using it with a MACD. I'm not saying that I'm going to be using it a Bollinger Band, because you can still use it a Bollinger Band or any other indicator. Okay, But I want you to be patient. We shall be looking at how to get beautiful signals in the market which avoid us from making losing trades. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I want you to subscribe to the channel in order to be able to get this videos for free. You can comment where it doesn't seem sensible or where it doesn't seem clear so that I can make it clear for you. So thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the likes. My name is Jordan. Love you so much. May the markets be with you. Bye bye.